So this is my new generation system. Got a Powertech portable power station. It's pretty grunty. It's the S2 model. So I'm going to do an unboxing, and I've got a few extra things. I got a 10mm cable and a connection to the Anderson. The Anderson had to be changed over because the solar panel is wired differently. So anyway, this is a big spender for me. So this is going to power my devices. If this was the final thing I needed for some sort of offline thing. So I've already been in here, and there's my receipt and the manual, which is fairly explanatory. So this is the charging cable for the solar panel. I had to get that out to get it hooked up to the right equipment. So that's why that's out. Here's all the other cables. They're all there. There's it says in the book to manual to check you got all the cables and bits, and so they're all there. And let's have a look at this thing. It says to keep the box as well, because it'd be handy if you've got to storage it long term. So it's all nicely plastic. Oh, it's not exactly. Oh. There's just nothing else in the box, just that. Let's just have a look. So, oh yeah, there's a barcode to an app, but they got the barcode. You can't really get to it in the there's a handle in the way. So that seems a bit silly. Here is the Powertech. So it's got the 12 volt. It's got the 240 volt 10 amp mains plugs, USB-C, USB-A outlets, DC. It's got an Anderson 12 volt 30 amp plug. On the side, it's got your charging. It says you should charge it every 3 months. Keep it, discharge it and charge it every 3 months to keep it fit. There's the breaker fuse. There's the input for the it's 15 amp, 12 to 150 volt, 15 amp can go into there for charging. And that's the plug for the similar to like a power station on a computer, but it's not quite. And then that's the battery pack connection. And it says for that you must keep them turned off before you connect or disconnect. Turn it off before you disconnect and connect those. And what you just turn it on. There we go. 65%. That's what it is. And it's got this thing where you can I just got a little bit of plastic over there. You can do this, the DC button and the display button, hold for 5 seconds. Right. Oh yeah. Oh, it's Bluetooth connected Wi-Fi. I'll have to suss out how to do that properly and change the charging on it to high or low by just doing it by long pressing those for 5 seconds. Not too sure if that's supposed to be off or not. Oh well, I'll get the solar panel out and see if I can start charging and try a few different things on it. So hang on, it's a quick look unboxing. Right, so the jug is 18 to 2,200 watt. So this should be able to handle it. It's below the peak, and it does say in the so hook that in, turn it on. Here we go. Lights on. I can hear the fan starting up. Yeah, it's powering up. Says fans going. Can do this for 33 minutes. This output of 1900 watts going out. It's powering. It's a big power load. Oh, it's shut down. Shut down. Look at that. I wonder what happened there. It's come up. Did it anyway. Oh well. It's shut down. Still alright. So use 10%. 10% of the output. Just boiling that jug. Oh, let's try it for charging. So this is the folding solar panel. I just opened it up. It looks great. It comes with a bag. So awesome. Wait. Oh no. Oh. Okay. So it's got a nice bag. Instruction manual. Solar panels. Right. So anyway, I'll set it up and get it charging on what I got. It's just got little packing corners, and it's covered in a clear plastic wrap. It's supposed to be a waterproof one. This was from J-Car, all this stuff from their Australian company. And this is the guy said, well, the blanket ones weren't really waterproof, and you need something that's a bit more weatherproof and waterproof. So got for these solid ones. So that's the plan. So I got the solar panel out. Took me ages to peel all the plastic off. I've got it plugged in. I've checked the polarity. I checked the amp. It's 15 amp, which is max for the charger. So it's all within the volts and that. So it's the right one. Got it plugged in. And you see there's hardly any sun. It's showing 2 watts out for some reason. I don't know why it's doing that. But it's showing 9 watts input. So it's at least it's something. It's a trickle charge, but at least it's something. So there it is. I had the DC output on. So that's it turned off, and it's charging. It's only 9 watts, but 9 watts, but something.